audience can say entertainment is what gossip from your mind. They see I talk and you say they must get sense. Those men say they don't get sense, they made them get sense. Guy, what they play? They see what they happen for Nigeria. So how Nigeria think they live life now, guy?
Na normal level, guy. Na normal level.
If let's say that country like Nollywood now, they only shoot so horror film anyhow.
That's what they do.
I know, but I don't respect for Nigeria or Europe or man don't fall. The whole prophet when we say no.
Everybody father be that man. No. That one, everybody prophet.
Before we start a mini silence for him, man. But you know, say now, who they try now, Troy the lawyer for.
No, that prophet was so nice. He was nice, kind.
But you see they don't do the burial now.
See the burial.
Oh my God.
I see him, sir. I not go. I just see him.
When they pay me pass, people from far come, white people for the burial. All those our prophets for Nigeria. When we say they use private jets, when something go happen for Asoro, they don't fly and go. Something go happen for Calabar, they don't go. I don't see any of them, Oga.
Now private jet matter they talk. I not just say all the old video man see what me. I not see anyone make private jet. I don't see private jet for them.
Neither one they shock me, Oga. You. They don't even carry private jets come.
I don't see private jet.
One now come and say they say TB Joshua won't kill him. Another one come and say TB Joshua say he people example start for house. Say see as when they stay. Even for Bible self, when Jesus they do it own, you hear say na mansion he dey stay. Eh?
But anything they talk, waiting concern me. Say the man was our prophet was nice.
You know my happiness for him, as he live a 50 life, he wins so because
we not forget.
He wins so.
The word not be forget.
I know many things when go happen for different country like this. He go there, he go bring them come back. Nigerian people, he go different for the so
it's our dad. It's our dad.
You know what even funny me pass my brother. So there, he say tight money, say no I then he take the come again. Make people they by themselves go they give tithe. You understand? They help people. They do things, say and same thing.
I see when he talk and say everything. Now great man, he's a great man.
Ah my brother, the thing tired, I don't be like you. The thing tired.
Young bro. At least now everybody died. At least now they don't put on.
All those things now when all those men they preach now, show one another love, show love, then let's be love. Now so those men they keep to those words. I mean I just carry the talk now. Because if you reason this that Nigeria now, see I not be saying me the judge my brother, but if you reason that Nigeria now, those things when they cause problem when we say the country now not balance, most and all those you know say nowadays God even talk and Jesus Christ say even fake prophets then they come. You understand? So I not be dey ask you say my brother say fake prophet dey because Bible already talk and say fake ones go come. So you understand? So now when they talk say come person that they many for that Nigeria. And you understand? Come person that they many because many problem wey they get there. Me dey see say my guy you know I don't want to talk shit. I mean, you know say that my man dey get am. Because if na something happen for so rock now.
Wetin dey pay me pass be say our daddy don go. Na that one wey just dey.
No. Na he pay me. The only man wey be say no only him the person wey be say as he say he dey do the true work of God when be say he no dey after material things like say you go dey get 3 private jets later you come and say dem buy for am. Or maybe he go the say in a big mansion. Later he go say that people dey ask for them. No, he no dey like that. Anything wey they do as is genuinely, he dey tell us say say as e suppose be. You understand? Na because
na great man come for am.
Since when this matter dey happen, you see say me not talk put now because me na person wey be say I know it may not be say I just carry the talk, you understand? Because I know they carry talk.
The great man don't leave.
No, normally now any good prophet not supposed to last now. No, any good prophet when we say come, even Jesus Christ, you know see him. Even Jesus Christ, you know say I take be. So you don't need to stay 1,000 years, no. Because you get time when God tell you say you can't do work. He don't already fulfill work. You understand?
He come for assignment.
Yes, he don't fulfill because why me no, my brother? This life, if you don't lose something, I tell you, guy, whether Nigeria like it or not, this great man, prophet TB Joshua, Nigeria go know say person na
no
go.
for our prophet we go dey celebrate together.
I'm telling you they go know say person na go.
na great man.
Why me talk say
man when he leave then he date we go fix date to dey celebrate am.
Why me know say
they'll give am date like TB Joshua date,
TB Joshua say
they do Emmanuel date. No, the man na great. He's a great. He's a great prophet.
The man, oh God, may he so rest in peace, Father. May he so rest in peace. All those men go just dey see wetin dey happen and dem no fit say even wetin dey bam last respect you no go comot anything for your body. How many minutes to use private jet take go there? See now people from UK, Canada, African country dem come.
I fit dey tell you as friend.
They come that place.
No be everybody me see you dey laugh or greet you. No dey like you.
Nigeria abeg make we try dey show love, make we try dey be our brothers keeper. Wetin dey happen to us today na dey say not o na dey carry all the whole power Fulani carry the whole power na we cause am na we cause am. See Biafra wey we dey fight today na no be everybody support am. You dey see?
Na Biafra matter you wan talk?
No all of them dey the matter when dey the Nigeria guy. No of them dey the matter.
Biafra matter when you wan talk so.
Na
laws if say we all the Biafra we dey show love. Wetin everybody go dey on.
Wetin dey pay me Hausa people Fulani people go dey use our people against us. Now make this Biafra 15 to get am go hard. Then they use the for Biafra we must get Biafra. No, that one inshallah we must get am matters e be.
Biafra
we must get am because
nothing good come easy.
We no fit let cow dey rule us or we go just dey country now when we say dem value cow more than human being. E no make sense.
Our leader already tell us say na zoo country. So
no normally no dey say na zoo country.
Zoo na animal.
Zoo na you are right. And we now
anything you wan do now if you no put cow for the advert or put cow for the.
E no dey work. Dem talk am now. But we now that zoo we need to comot for that zoo because zoo no fit touch guy no fit like you. All the old things when they happen now for Nigeria my brother every better things when they happen now you see na Fulani and Hausa hold am. Why dey be like that?
But for me may not be Nigeria o.
No even me na I no be Nigeria which Nigeria I no be Nigeria. You no dey see am now say Oduduwa now don come out the Yoruba nation. No. You no dey see am.
No everybody don tire.
The country okay since when those matter dey go now you see even person wey be say I see when they think they collect money I see you know say I take the waka who don see na say as e go be say as e no go be.
The one me dey pay me pass person dey train people to protect im own city im own community you tell am say e dey train armed robber.
But guy wetin dey
e open up show you all of them you no.
Guy you dey see wetin dey sup now say this COVID-19 vaccine wey they dey do. For which country I for even watch and sef well I go later show the video because you know say na this video now go viral people go see am may no be say we like dey say that this thing because my brother they no dey know finish say COVID-19 if dem put you get one touch when they down no know like we get one video when I watch guy the video I go later put am make dem see the video I don't know whether they get wetin dey pee for their hand for the this thing guy how you see the thing now show me that video fit be real.
But nothing not be real. Because na fake. And the fake one they buy. And the fake drugs.
Because all those things normally, if you many when I see now from African country.
Now Europe country.
All those Europe country, the one they do guy.
Western world cannot do that kind of.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Yesterday, at about this time, I took my second jab of COVID-19 vaccination. And this morning I saw some people, I received a video where people are hanging things that are metallic and foam on their shoulder and it was talking as if it is magnet. The shoulder had become magnetic. I tried it with a Gioni phone, as you can see it now. The Gioni phone has stuck to my shoulder, my left side of the shoulder where I have taken the jab. It's stuck and it's not falling down. So we really do not know what is happening. I hope NAFDAC that has told us that this thing is good enough to take will give us an explanation to this. Otherwise, we will hold NAFDAC and Buhari responsible for whatever that happens to Nigerians.
Africa don't die now. You talk Africa don't die.
No. But where we gonna go, guy? Where would they go?
African is dead now.
God.
Africa very soon they will cancel that country, that nation called Africa.
No. My guy, the one in that country they tire me, Nigeria. Anywhere where you go now, even Dubai to see this problem.
Brother, no believe you want Nigeria don't tire. Over the Buhari, Nigeria don't tire. You know say Buhari say make them change me.
I understand that.
You never tire. Why you say make them?
Thank you. Not true too.
Buhari, Nigeria don't tire.
So they say this guy no say he don't use future. People future they borrow money. He say make them change me so that you go pay.
Okay, if you funny part. If you can't change name, those make them register their company with Nigeria. Maybe their company, their car company.
Thank you.
Many doing
get passport.
Nigeria passport. Wait. They go register again.
They go change them too.
Nigeria don't tire everybody.
Okay, those are
not tire about the Buhari.
But one of the people now. Okay, nice. We go see change our name now.
I say make you relax.
We go see change our name.
No, wetin make the play say? Me no say by the grace of God. Our Biafra must come.
But wait too.
So me na Biafra, me I no be Nigeria. Whether Nigeria like then change name national item make we don use like people like us wey no too go school. Na crime dey crime am. I don't know like this na okay. I go dey crime you act like
that. Because now say you no be close. I don't know
to serve now.
It's not Nigeria.
We don't know to go serve. Whether na to serve the cow or to serve who, whether na to serve lot.
But you know say dem must get sense, right? Anything dem must get sense, right?
You don't tire everybody.
Wait, let me assume say all those their reason now, all those their inspiration, where for they come? Because me no understand guy. Because normal person when be say the job finish.
You know what is meant to Nigeria to help you borrow money. Now they are so
you know see wetin this guy do.
There is also wrong borrow money. Our God president you know go get your temper and this.
And this that
you know what
we go get hotel rock.
You know what if you look, they don't use everything, both our refinery, our Nigeria transport, everything, our warehouse, everything. They don't use their borrow money. You know say whole country may get maybe the third richest country for oil, highest oil, but you don't get refinery.
No,
they use a borrow money.
I dey tell you, no be lie.
You know what happen?
No, na true.
Wetin Nigeria here remain now to take borrow money now.
Even so they say BBC say now you don use everything borrow money, come China to their side. No, you dey in room. As me today talk na who get oil for a room.
What do we have?
You don turn everything to a room.
Everything Nigeria no dey again.
No, you
know say now you say make dem change country. You don see country me dey. Name.
Country wey no dey exist for many years.
You don see where name.
You don wait say make dem change am.
Brother, you don see where name dey be problem of something.
No na, it can't happen guy. So then now, no be ordinary name na come be country name. Say na it be our problem.
Na the way make dem wan take pack our billions of trillions of this thing go.
Say you know many company, you know where these people never really talk. All those are our governor them, president them. You know say if they travel, they know they let move things.
Okay, wait, move forget about the document or the changing of registration of company or contract, all those things.
Okay.
What of the name, like all the good name? I know say Nigeria get bad name for company, but all the good name like maybe the best African country for musician, the best musician for African, then the best country for footballers, all those names now. Where the name won't go.
He go die.
People dey talk say they try make them go front. We dey 50 something.
No, we dey
talk. 60 something now.
They like wetin watch. I no don get time. I beg now I dey beg you. Go subscribe, go like, go comment, share am because I thought say this year they must get sense. Those ones say they no go get sense, we go force them make them get sense. Anywhere when you see my video for any platform, not forget, go to YouTube channel, write Skyc Entertainment with one letter, give am space, PWG. I repeat, PWG. I know so many people without saying wetin be PWG. Na I be PJ word God sake as e dey go because every time we dey give na better things. as una dey watch am una dey support us, dey like and dey comment, share am, you no dey collect money, subscribe, you no dey collect money, na free, una still dey support us, we love una.